To do painting takeoffs with the quick measure on-screen software, we will bring the finished plan up onto the screen and put in the drawing. This is an 8-scale plan here. And when we want to measure all of the lineal footage for the type color 1 walls, we simply click one end of the wall and then click the other end. So it's just a simple matter of gathering up all the lineal footages for that particular type of wall off the finished plan. So you see we're just clicking one end of the wall with the mouse, then we click the other end, and it follows along with us so we have a visual trace of what we're doing. We can also make a very nice printout of that to track everything we've done, also maybe give it to the guys in the field. So you're just clicking one end of the wall and clicking the other end of the wall, and it's going to total up the lineal footage for that particular type of wall. Now when we're done with all that, we can back here a little bit, and we hit the done button at the top, and it will then transfer that quantity we just took off, 146 lineal feet, directly back to an Excel spreadsheet. So you can use the quick measure on-screen software to do a takeoff off a finished plan, and the quantities will pop directly back into your own Excel spreadsheets that you've set up using the quick measure on-screen software.